A lot of welcome back viewers. I hope you are enjoying this program featuring, of course, Graziella Sortino, who's really delving into her past. Now, Dominic, these next biscotti have got a lovely little story because they're a little bit of a step up from the biscotti al latte, aren't they?
That's right.
I asked Graziella, what do you call them? And she said, I don't know, darling. What are they called?
They're jam biscuits that you can fill with jam, or you can fill it with chocolate filling or with lemon filling.
Yes.
Right, so the ones that she made are like a croissant type.
Yes.
Right, so you put your jam in them and then you roll them into a croissant.
Right.
Or you got the farfalla ones that you can see the jam.
Yeah. So there's quite a bit of skill. So these biscuits, you make the dough and she actually uses the mattarello and she rolls them all out by hand.
That's
so this
right.
is a bit of a laborious biscotto, but a bit special. I guess you use it more around a special occasion.
That's correct.
But what she did tell me, Graziella said to me, now Caterina, the reason that we have the different shapes, because it depends on the fillings that you have. So back in Italy, of course, it was no choice. It was really what you had in your cupboard. So if you didn't have any jam, she might have just used the fresh lemons from the garden and made like a lemon butter,
That's correct, yes.
or cioccolato. So on the occasion, the rare occasion, they had cioccolato because that was an expensive product. Now, what about you here? What do you do?
Well, fortunately, when Graziella was going to make my ex-mother-in-law, so you know,
Stop it.
when they were putting this show together, they asked me, so Creative Ingredients did supply all for the
Oh yes,
fillings.
wonderful company.
That is one of the high quality
Yes.
companies that are out there.
Yeah.
So it's great.
So well, you do the upmarket stuff. I'll stick with Graziella. How's that?
You should try her fig ones when they're in season. That's amazing.
Oh, there you go. All right, let's just see how she makes these wonderful biscotti. We'll just use the generic name biscotti.
Now these biscuits Monna's brought from her hometown in Francofonte, which is in Sicily. Her mother taught her how to make them, and now she's passing down the process of how to make them to me. So Nonna, how do you start making these biscuits?
Now this biscuit start, it's 2 cups of rice, 2 cups plain flour, and put here. Then mix and put 1 egg.
You don't have to beat it before you put it in?
No. It's the sugar, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 little spoon vanilla essence. Thank you. 2.5 grams, 250 grams, it's butter.
Now is the butter soft?
It's butter soft.
So it needs to be room temperature.
No, it depends. It's better it's leaving it soft. Then you put it 300 grams, it's cream.
And it's just normal cream, skinny?
Normal cream. Then mix it together and work very good.
So Nonna, why don't you use any machines or mixers to make your life a lot easier?
No, with the hand, it's more better you work. The machine, it's lost, it's the...
Is it because
the level, when you go up.
Yeah, it's because you're mixing the gluten too much.
Yeah, that's right. And the machine, it's not nice.
Okay, and how long does it take you usually to make it? Because you do everything by hand.
It's 10 minutes to mix.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Now this is canola oil. Put it around, little bit more. That's stop. Now mix it together again and see what's happened.
But the oil doesn't change the taste of the biscuits?
No, it's the oil more better for the butter. When you make it 2, it's recipe, 1 2. You put 1, it's butter, and the other one you put oil. 1 cup, it's oil, 250 grams, and 250 grams, it's butter.
Okay.
And the biscuit, it's come more soft and more better. Now it's ready. Take a little bit for this one. And start the mix here. Now I need a little bit of flour for here, please. My bag, I have the thing with the flour.
And this is so it doesn't stick.
This for no stick. Stop. This for no stick.
So when it's resting, do you need to cover it so it doesn't form a skin on top?
Yeah, you must cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you pick them up, cut a little piece and start to make a biscuit. Put a little bit of flour to the bottom one, but you must work a little bit to have it more soft. Then...
And you just wet cloth on top or some Glad wrap?
No, it's put the one e leave it for 10 minutes. Dammi un segnatore. Dammi quello legno per favore. Così. E io questo le devo stirare. One, I have it over. And then a measurement. This is me.
So you don't.
No,
so you're
I
using a
want
spoon to measure.
I want it's positive. It's all the same. There one. Sorry.
Do you know roughly how wide you cut them?
I cut because it's with the measurement. It's more easy.
By
Because
height?
after one small, one big, I don't like. This is the jam.
And this is the cherry jam. So you spread this one
Spread
all
the
over?
one all over because when it's cooked, it's beautiful. One and one, two.
And this one you just fold over.
This
It's much
is
easier.
different shape. Now I have a lemon butter.
And so you do this the same way you do the cherry
This-
jam?
This side, but in different shape.
Ah, so you know it's a different
The
type.
different, yes. And then ask him, I want the lemon butter. This is lemon butter.
Oh, so this is just a straight rolled one.
Yes, this lemon butter. Make it with the chocolate.
And this is dark chocolate?
Dark chocolate, I cut a little piece because it's all one. Now, round. And like this. Sono lo stesso shape fatto, però qua ce n'è poche, non esce la gemma di dentro. Questi sono cioccolata e sono the best one. Cioccolata and cherry jam.
So Nonna, now that you made these beautiful biscuits, what temperature do you need to preheat the oven for? And how long do they need to cook for?
Now, it's there in the oven, put 118, then when you put it in 116. 10 minutes, it's ready. Ne metto asciuga di sopra, chi lo vuole, chi non lo vuole niente. Prendiamo adesso il caffè. Grazie.
Thanks Nonna for the biscuit. Dad, you're missing out. They're so good.
Thank you. I love you.
Well, how fantastic were those biscuits?
They were.
She's so clever, Graziella, isn't she?
Did you see the way she marked them out with using her knife as the measuring thing?
Yeah, we don't need any fancy equipment because with the eyes of an Italian mama, basta. All right. They were fantastic, actually.
They were.
And once again, quite a laborious sort of dish, that one, but it is just a bit special. Now we're going to go for another short break. And when we come back, the beautiful Graziella is going to give us her final recipe and a take on what I guess you know is banana cake.
That's correct.